To add an image to the background in Photoshop, first select your subject. Once the subject is selected, press Ctrl+J to create a copy of it on a new layer. Now, add a copy of background terrain. Go to Filter and Vanishing Point. Select around the wall. After that, add image that you copied by pressing Ctrl+V. Adjust the image by pressing Ctrl+T. Now back to the project. Go to Blending option, move arrow from left to right, which suit perfect, hold it. That's it, your subject is now placed on a new background.